Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data and enabling access. This prevents loss and allows flashing. First, back up important files to Google or a PC, then enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Once done, open developer options and turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock if available. These let your computer and recovery tools communicate with the device. Make sure your battery is above 50% and that you have the correct firmware file for your exact model to avoid mismatches. You now prepare the files and tools needed for the update. First, confirm your device model and download the matching factory image or OTA package for your region. Wrong firmware can brick the device. Next, install platform tools so you can use a DB and fastboot commands and download a compatible custom recovery or flashing utility if required. Once downloaded, verify checksums to ensure integrity. Then extract everything into a single folder so commands reference predictable paths and avoid errors during the flashing sequence. You finish by flashing and validating the new version. Proceed carefully. Reboot the phone into bootloader or recovery, connect it to your PC, and run the correct fastboot or a DB sideload commands in the folder with the firmware. If needed, unlock the bootloader first. Understand that this wipes data. Then flash boot, system, and vendor partitions as instructed. After flashing, reboot and perform a factory reset to clear old caches. This reduces boot issues. If something goes wrong, double-check firmware and tool versions, try another USB cable or port, and restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.